our international chef here. We have Indonesian, and then we have, of course, the Thailand over there. Philippines. So, babe, what are you doing? What are you making now?
Sticky rice with custard egg. Ay, sorry.
Oh my God, sticky rice.
Sorry, chef.
Wait, chef, ayusin mo. And then you put it here?
Wait.
Oh,
Okay.
sticky rice with custard cake. This is what, ano?
Yeah.
This is the final look. And then what's this?
That, what is that?
I find this rice. Oh my God! I cannot wait to try this one. You have to cook this one. You're going to cook this one, babe.
Just the flour with the coconut.
Okay. You mix with the coconut and then ready to eat.
Hey, you have to boil it first.
Boil it first. Nice. Ang sarap naman. Ang sarap. I cannot wait to see.
Last touch.
That's the one. Ready, babe?
Yeah.
Dali na, babe!
Yeah.
Nice, no? And then you have to cook this one. No need to cook.
No need to cook that one. You can eat ready.
Nice. We have Thai food. Thai food. And then this is the... Ano nga ito? What you call this is again? I forgot. Pad Thai. Yeah. Then of course,
We can eat that.
chicken pandan. Yeah, I know this one. Chicken pandan.
Pag
Okay, guys. Let's go dance na. Tara na. Huy.
This, you dancing na.
Hi.